Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on investing.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in investing.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official investing.com website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into your homepage, if you wish to delete your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now within the settings page, you will see the Close Account tab. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account. After choosing either one of these reasons or providing your own by tapping on the other option, click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your password or the verification code that has been sent to your email in order to confirm your identity. Once you have confirmed your identity and proceeded forward, you will be logged out from your investing.com account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. After this step, make sure not to log back into your account for at least 3 weeks to 1 month. And if you don't log back in during this time period, your account will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on investing.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.